Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excel for You. Today's topic is how to create drop-down button. Step 1. Prepare your list which you want in your drop-down like weekends, name, date, room number, length, volume, etc. Step 2. Select your list which you prepared using mouse drag or press shift and down arrow key. Step 3. Define the name of your list by right click on mouse and select define name. Step 4. Define name of your list like weekdays, list name, items. Step 5. Select a cell where you want your drop-down option. Step 6. You have to go data menu in menu bar, then select data validation and then data validation. Step 7. Choose list option in validation criteria. Step 8. Type the list name in source field, click OK. In my case, it is weekdays. Step 9. Your dropdown is created. Just check it's working or not. Step 10. You want your dropdown in different cells? Just drag, move, copy or paste wherever you want to place your dropdown. Thank you for watching. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.